In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an ROI calculator using Outgrow. By the end, you'll have the skills to quickly build interactive tools that help engage your audience and drive better results. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a secret bonus that can boost your results with Outgrow. Outgrow is an amazing platform for creating interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and assessments. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a developer to build powerful tools. One of its most popular features is the ROI calculator, which is what we're diving into today. To start, sign up for Outgrow if you haven't already. You can use it completely for free through the link in the description below. And I've got an exclusive bonus for you if you sign up through that link. Don't miss it. Once you're logged into Outgrow, navigate to the dashboard and click on Create New to start your calculator. Select the ROI calculator template from the list of pre-made templates to give yourself a great starting point. This saves you time by providing a structure that you can easily customize. Now, let's customize it for your needs. First, decide on the parameters you want to measure. For example, if you're calculating ROI for a product or service, you'll want to input the initial investment and the expected return. Outgrow allows you to set up variables such as initial investment and profit, which users can adjust to get real-time results. Once the key variables are set, you'll design the user interface. Outgrow provides an easy drag-and-drop builder for customizing the look and feel of your calculator. You can adjust colors, fonts, and images to match your brand, ensuring the calculator fits seamlessly into your website or landing page. Outgrow also makes it simple to incorporate logic into your ROI calculator. With the logic builder, you can set rules for how the inputs affect the final output. For instance, if a user inputs a higher investment amount, you can automatically adjust the expected ROI to reflect that change. This makes the calculator dynamic and interactive, providing real-time value to your users. Once you've customized the design and logic, it's time to preview and test your ROI calculator. Outgrow allows you to preview it directly on their platform, so you can make sure everything is working as expected. Make any final tweaks to ensure that the user experience is smooth and intuitive. Now, to embed the calculator on your site, simply click on the Publish button. You'll be given an embed code or a direct link that you can easily integrate into your website or share with your audience. And that's it. Your ROI calculator is now live. Outgrow also allows you to track user interactions and gather valuable data so you can optimize your content and improve future campaigns. By using an interactive tool like this, you're not only helping your audience make informed decisions, but you're also building credibility and trust. Remember, you can start using Outgrow for free right now by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, if you sign up through that link, you'll get an extended free trial, giving you more time to experiment and create effective tools like this one. So, to recap, you've learned how to create an ROI calculator in Outgrow, customize it, and make it live on your website, all in just a few simple steps. Now you have a powerful tool that can drive better engagement and more conversions for your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link in the description for that exclusive bonus.